What is up, you guys? Today is a very exciting day. I was just outside admiring how it's like becoming springtime. There are things blooming. My chickens are laying like a million eggs. And then who should show up at my door but the beautiful delivery guy to bring me my spring FabFitFun box. I'm so excited. Yes, it's like Christmas. So I am going to take you with me as I open this box, pull everything out, show you what I got. I'll tell you the retail value of everything. So let's do this. So this is the box. They always make it a little different for each season. This is super, super cute. I love it. I love the rainbows. I love all the colors. I love the skateboarder. The whole thing is super cool. All right, this time I actually brought some scissors. So let's open this thing up. All right. I love the little stickers they send. They're very fun if you like to journal or keep like a calendar or something. I actually usually give these to my daughter. She really loves them, so. And then of course there's the magazine. It tells you about everything that comes in your box and usually has recipes and things like that. Okay, so the first thing is this cooler. This is the L Space Coastal Cooler. It's like a little squishy cooler that you can take with you to go out. We used to have a cooler kind of like this. It was like a squishy cooler that we used so much and it just kind of crapped out on us. Like it started leaking and we had to throw it away. So I thought this was really good for us to kind of replace that. It's always nice to have like a more flexible cooler. And I mean, I actually got this for the whole family. Like anytime that there are options that I can get that are things that my whole family will enjoy or something that my husband will enjoy, I usually tend to go for those because I don't know, it's just nice to be able to share the love a little bit. It's got the handles, it's got the zipper, it's got a little pocket in case you need your keys, and it's got the oh my god, it comes with a little bottle of Prosecco. Holy crap. Okay, I mean, I put that in there. It was just a little joke. I'm not actually gonna drink it. It's like, it's the middle of the afternoon. It was a gag, okay? I can't be like just drinking in the middle of the day. What time is it? Oh, it's not even 2 o'clock. So no, I'm not gonna be like, I have to stay on point with this video. I have to, you know, do all these things this afternoon. I cannot be drinking a bottle of Prosecco. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could drink it. Oh. I mean, okay. Like, this is just getting to be really convenient, right? And I mean, it is Friday. Nothing crazy, right? Yeah, okay. So that is the Coastal Cooler. On their website, it retails for $100. So immediately you've gotten more than your box is worth off of this one product. So I'm really excited to use this. I know my husband will like having a nice little soft cooler around. And yeah, so there is the L Space Cooler. Prosecco, not included. Okay, next is, okay, this is a little Acupressure Pillow from Yoga Wake Up. I really found this really interesting, the concept of it. It has several hundred plastic points to kind of hit your pressure points. It feels super weird and uncomfortable, but let's try it out. All right, here's the little pillow. It's actually much smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I guess maybe you don't need a lot. So I'm gonna just try it out here. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. That's kind of nice. Yeah, it doesn't hurt. It's not uncomfortable, actually. It feels pretty nice. Now I'm laying down. I just want to lay here. Okay, and then also, like, you can do it on your feet. So let's try that. Oh, ow, whoa. Oh, that is weird. Oh, I like it, though. Okay, all right. That's cool. All right. So that is crazy, and that is something new to me. I'll be interested to kind of explore that. This acupuncture pillow retails at $49, so sweet. The acupressure pillow also comes with a 3-month subscription to an audio guided yoga subscription, and it also includes bed yoga. I am super interested to see what bed yoga is. I do have fitness subscriptions that I can pull yoga from, but I could use even more yoga options. So I am excited to try out the subscription and just see if it's something that I like and check out this bed yoga thing. The Yoga Wake Up membership is $10.99 a month, and I'm going to get 3 months for free. It also has meditations in it, which I have been trying to do more of lately, so I am going to dig right into that. And if you're interested in seeing what types of fitness I'm into these days, like I'm all over the map right now, you can check out my The Part Where I Work playlist, and that will just show you kind of what I'm up to these days. Moving on. Okay, next is this Shoshana Umbrella. I have a full-size umbrella in my car, but I picked this because I really sometimes could use a smaller, more compact umbrella in my car or just in general, so that's why I went with this. So for some reason, I just didn't really like the look of this umbrella. I don't know why. I like flowers, I like colorful things, but if I saw this in a store, I probably wouldn't pick it up, but I need the umbrella, so I'm like, you know, let's go for it. I do see here that it says, "Don't rain on my parade." So yeah, I think that's pretty cute. There's a little sleeve, which I'm sure I will lose immediately, but I'm gonna try to hang on to it. And this is the umbrella. Should I open it? People say it's bad luck to open an umbrella indoors. I make my own luck? Is that a Billy Zane quote? Who said I made my own luck? I just made my own bad luck. Whatever. Okay. All right, let's put that away. Yeah. Okay. I have closed an umbrella before. You just gotta be smarter than the umbrella. All right, so it's got this nifty little button, as all umbrellas do. $20 is the retail value for this umbrella. And I won't lose the sleeve just yet. I'll go ahead and put it on and act like I'm gonna keep this forever and always use it. It's I already can't get it back on. I can't. You know what? Forget that. Okay. It's a 10 product, which I've never used, and it's a 10 product. This is a Miracle Leave-In plus Keratin. They had the option of Miracle Leave-In without the keratin, but I was like, this is plus something. Of course, I'm going to get the plus something. I don't know if I need the keratin. I'm really lucky that I have pretty good hair. Keratin is good to help repair any damage to your hair. Here's what it says. It protects the natural keratin in the hair. It's a thermal protector. It detangles. It helps strengthen the hair. It helps replace lost proteins. It helps reduce frizz. Okay, that's where I need the help for reals. It has natural UV protection, restores shine, and enhances natural hair body. And it helps protect hair color, which in my case is brown and a little bit of gray. The directions read, spray evenly from mid-shaft to ends on towel dried hair. Do not rinse out. Comb through and style as desired. Oh my gosh, that's great, because most of the time I never blow dry my hair. I'm excited to use this the next time I take a shower. The retail value that I could find on Amazon for the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In plus Keratin is $17.50. All right, just a couple more things. This is the Hypernova Eye Serum. I actually don't use a lot of eye creams, but in any chance that I can get one, I'll grab it because, you know, why not? This is kind of basically supposed to help me look not tired when I am tired, which is like pretty much all the time. It's going to help minimize the look of like fine lines, dark circles, puffiness, all that. And it actually has a little bit of caffeine in it, so it kind of helps rejuvenate that way, but it is said to be light and gentle. Let's see what it actually says here. Apply morning and evening to eye area. Boom. I love easy instructions, you know, let's not complicate things. I know it's not morning or evening, but I'm gonna try it real quick. This is cute. What? Oh my gosh, there's a little pump thing. There's a little pump thing here that you, I guess, pump it out. Is it coming? Maybe I'll go down. Oh, here it comes. Just a tiny little bit. Like, these products, just a little bit goes a long way, you know? I can't see anything without my glasses. Okay, wonderful. Okay, this is the last of my FabFitFun products that I got in the box, and I have one add-on that I'll share with you. Is my first time getting an add-on. Okay, so I think this product is super duper cool. This is the new company, Topical Vitamin C. This is really cool because it's a powder and you mix it with like water or like your moisturizer, and then you apply it to your face. I've used a lot of vitamin C, but I've never used a powder form. I guess the idea is that it's supposed to have a longer shelf life. So let's check this out. There's the powder, a little water on it. And then it just turns into a liquid. You put it on your face, you're good to go. It's pretty awesome. And I like the fact that you can put it in your moisturizer because it kind of eliminates a step. On their website, this vitamin C powder goes for $55 or $44 with a subscription. The cool thing about these serums is that they can protect your skin against harsh pollutants and just like the toxins that are up in the air, as well as UV rays. Okay, so that's everything that came in my FabFitFun box. For the first time ever, I actually did an add-on this time, and there's a couple of reasons that I did that. The first one was because I had heard that you get your box faster if you get an add-on. That was kind of like a theory somebody was testing, so I wanted to test it myself, and I do think this came much faster. I noticed that one of my friends was consistently getting her boxes before me, and I'm pretty sure that she's always getting add-ons, and so I wanted to try it this time. Like I said, I do think it came faster, and I figured it would just be a good time to test it out because I found this super cute foodie tote. This was so easy to just look through everything, add it onto my box. It came right in the box. It was $10, and I have a toddler, and when we go out, we have to have all the snacks, and not just him, me too. We both need to have our snacks. We need to have our food on board and water on board at all times. So I have this little like crappy tie-dye canvas bag that I've been carrying around for years, and I just throw all the snacks in it. But this gives us another option, and it's insulated. It's just the same idea. We can put all of our snacks in here, but it's just cuter. It's gonna hold up better than the canvas bag that I have, and it's going to insulate the things that I have better. So this is cool. I'm really glad I have this. This is a great add-on. Again, something that can be used for the whole family. And that is it. That is my spring FabFitFun box. Please stick with me, and I will be reviewing all the FabFitFun boxes that come my way. So click the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like if you like this video. Cheers to you. Leave any comments below. Let me know what you got in your box, and let me know what you're excited to see in your box in the future. Have a great day.